Alright, y'all, I screwed up and I turned the camera off and I didn't get what we were doing. We ended up planting a few seeds and watering, and we got cabbage in, we got broccoli in, pansies in, and lavender, and we planted seeds, put a little sprinkle of cover over them, of a cover of starter mix, and then we watered it in. So everything's doing all right here. Good enough. Got plenty enough onions. I'm gonna have plenty enough. You can kind of see how they laying on top. They should have been planted deeper. They just sprouted and just laid on top. I should have had them deeper. But these DP sweets, man, when I send them out, then there's gonna be a ton. And Chiantis, they're gonna be enough for me. And then but the Georgia boys are gonna have definitely enough. So let's go see over here what's going on. Everything in the raised beds are doing great and wonderful. We really had some cool weather. The basil coming back nice. Even more basils are growing, coming up. There's some cilantro coming up right there. Parsley coming up. Even some dill. Some new dill coming up. The peppers are just putting out like crazy. And look at all these bell peppers over here. Got a whole bunch of them right there. I broke the branches when I was picking them the other day. They were so heavy with bell peppers. I mean, you can see here's a broken branch. I broke it off on accident. I didn't mean to do that. And my wife's Swiss chard. She loves that. That's coming back. That's transplants. I had to pull them apart, but look, they're definitely coming back. You can see way more plants. That's the she's watering now the chives. I split them apart. Some of the garlics are starting to come up. That's the old elephant garlics that I didn't know that were still in there. They're starting to come up, which is good. I thought I'd lost them all last year, but they're coming back up. Do not water that crap. Here's the beets. Look how great the beets are doing, y'all. I mean, hundreds and hundreds of beets. I'm gonna thin them, put them in different areas, but they really start nice thick. I like starting them thick. See them all? And look, I got potatoes coming up in there. That's purple potatoes. There was some left over from when I planted them in the spring. They just stayed in here. Look, there's another one. There's a big old patch. I just let them go. But the beets are thick. Woo, they're thick. Alright, y'all. That's it. I will talk to y'all later.
We gotta transplant some of the basil with the pretty flowers where the pansies are.
This basil right here?
Not the whole thing.
Oh, they got plenty of new ones coming up.
Yeah, plant some over there.
Well, they got tons of little ones in there. Tons of them.
Yeah, they should probably go over there.
Okay.
I don't think the critters like them.
I don't know. They're not going to like what I got to give them, though. I don't care what you say. I'm shooting them. If I see them, I shoot them. If they get in the trap, they're lucky if they get in the trap.
You were not shooting a rabbit.
I will shoot the rabbit.